Students, as you know that we have started that exercise 3 chapter 3 of class 9 coordinate geometry, and today we are talking about the Cartesian plane. And as you can see in the diagram that this is the x dash means x-axis and y dash the y-axis. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here in this quadrant, all positive towards the x-axis and positive towards the y-axis. Here negative towards the x-axis, positive towards the y-axis. In third quadrant, negative towards the x-axis, negative towards the y-axis. In fourth quadrant, positive towards the x-axis, negative towards the y-axis, which means in first quadrant all positive, second quadrant x positive, y negative, third quadrant both are negative, and fourth quadrant x positive, y negative. Sorry, in the second quadrant x negative, y positive. I repeat again, second quadrant x negative, y positive, and third quadrant all negative, fourth quadrant x positive, y negative, and first quadrant all positive. And this is the origin. The coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. Now we'll discuss something about the 3.2 exercise. Exercise 3.2. Students, as you can see in the video, they write the answer of each of the following questions. What is the name of the horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? I am writing the answer in the book only. The answer is the horizontal line is the x-axis, the vertical line is the y-axis. I am not writing the answer here. Horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. Question number 2. What is the name of each part of plane formed by the two lines? Each part of the forms is called the quadrant, which means look here, this is two lines intersect each other at the point O, making the four quadrant, 1 2 3 4, fourth quadrant. Third one, what is the name of the point where these two lines intersect? That point name is origin. Next question, student, exercise 3.2, question number 2. The diagram, look here, the diagram is given here in the book. This is the diagram, as you can see in the book, figure number 3.14. And depending on this diagram, there are a few questions. We are going to solve these questions now one by one. First one, the coordinate of B. Next one is coordinate of C. Now look, what is the answer of the coordinate of B? Look here now in the diagram. Coordinate of B is how much? Is -5 and 2. So coordinate of B is -5 and 2. -5 and 2. So coordinate of B is -5 and 2. Now coordinate of C. Look here now. Coordinate of C. Look here. Coordinate of C, which means this is the 5 and this is 5, which means coordinate of C is 5 and -5. I am writing here now. Coordinate of B is -5, 2, and coordinate of C is 5, -5. 5, -5. Now look, the point identified by the coordinate -3 and -5. Let's have a look at the diagram now. Look, -3 and -5. There is -3 and -5. Which point is there? E. So the answer is E. Look here, the point identified by the coordinate, the point is E. Point is E. Now look, next one, 1 4. The point identified by the coordinate 2, -4. Now let's have a look, 2, -4. So look here, 2, there is 2 only, 2 and -4. What is the point here? G. So answer is G only. Here we'll write answer is G. Next one, the abscissa of the point D. Now look here, look, abscissa of point D means, look here, this is the x-axis and point D is the abscissa, which means in which point? 6. So answer is 6. We'll write here the abscissa is 6. The ordinate of the point H, let's have a look now. Look here now, from H this point is -3, so ordinate of the point H is -3, so answer would be here -3. Now look here is -3. Now coordinate of the point L, let's have a look now, coordinate of the point L. Now look student, there is 0, from 0 then there is L is 5 here, so coordinate of the point L is 0 and 5. Write down here coordinate of the point 0, 5. And last one, the coordinate of the point M. Now look, coordinate of the point M is, look, there is 0, then there is -3, the coordinate of the point M is 0, -3. Write down here coordinate of the point 0 comma -3. This is the all about the answers of question number, sorry, exercise number 3.2. And students, you can just write down these answers in the copy by watching the video.